Good morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Fantasy, and in this tutorial we are going to address the most common issue of Samsung mobile and very commonly faced by most of the individuals, that is blank out screen and mobile is not turning on. So before starting the tutorial, I would like to request you to please subscribe this channel. This is a new channel addressing new things, the fantasy, the technical issues. So please subscribe my channel. So not wasting much time, let us move on the tutorial. I'm going to explain you 6 or 7 tricks for this problem. Suppose your mobile has a blank screen and it is not turning on. So first you have to do is put the mobile in charger for more than 20 minutes. This will sometimes give a kick to charge the mobile and mobile switches on, and after that press power on, and this is volume down and this is volume up key, both key simultaneously, volume down key and power on, and then you will see this type of screen. The mobile is now getting on. Friends, I will like to tell you that is this volume up and down, this button, they are very useful buttons. Power on plus volume down key will make the your phone on forcibly, but if you press power on with plus button, the phone will go into, let us switch off this phone to tell you the power off. This is off. Now I will enter the pattern. The phone will switch off. Now I will show you the beauty of power on plus volume up key. You have press hold on for 5 seconds. You can see the logo, then here you will see that it has entered into the booting zone. Now you can scroll it down by volume down key, scroll it up by volume up key, and then reboot system. Now you have to select it by this power off on off key. So now the mobile will boot on. But if the first trick, second trick and third trick does not work, then I have some another issue. Friends, listen very carefully that this problem has come to you because of sudden shock to the mobile, either by dropping or by some jerks. So for that you need to understand the accessories which are responsible to make the mobile on may be loosened by sudden jerks. So for that you have to just first thing tap on the hair, tap on hair, tap on hair. After that the very first thing I have explained you, power off on plus volume down key, keep it pressed for 5 seconds to 15 seconds, it will on. After that you have to, fourth number, you have to push all the screen like that to tighten that periphery which is responsible for not getting mobile on. Then from back side, every part, every corner of the mobile you should push it down like that. Camera also, the hair also, and after that you have to try with power off and volume down key. Suppose this is also not working, then you have to put this mobile for half an hour in a refrigerator, take it out again, then power off on key plus volume down key. Hopefully with these 6-7 tricks the mobile will work, but even after applying all the tricks the mobile is not getting on, then friends I will suggest you to go to the mobile repair shop. Before going to mobile repair shop, you should try these tricks on your own. So this is all about today's tutorial. Thank you friends. Before leaving this video, I am again requesting you to please subscribe my channel. This is a new channel and I need your support. Thank you very much.